This is the California Assembly, the place where the men and women that you send to Sacramento work to represent you. I'm Bob Moretti, and I'm Speaker of the Assembly. The people who founded this country had a new concept about how government ought to operate. And that idea of representative government is now in jeopardy because of Proposition 1. Last summer, we looked at Proposition 1 and rejected it as bad government. Now it's on the ballot, and you'll have to vote on it too. We voted no because we thought it was designed to help the rich at the expense of the rest of the people of our state. We also voted no because it would take the tax and budget decisions out of the hands of your representatives and put them in the hands of the governor and a small minority of legislators. We've all just lived through an example of what can happen when too much power is put into the hands of too few people. We can't let that happen in California.
Paid for by California taxpayers against Proposition 1.